As the unofficial summer season approaches on Memorial Day, we're continuing to explore new Nike trainers that are great choices for beach vacations. Offering plenty of comfort and a striking summer color scheme, the Nike Vomero 5 for women is a great choice for your upcoming trip. The official photos show a pale ivory mesh base with teamed gold leather overlays, with predominant sandy tones. While a fauna brown provides contrast to the swoosh, midsole upper, and tongue lace loop, light teal Seaform coloring lands on the cage and back part of the midsole. The team gold Nike Vomero 5 for ladies. At a price of $160, pale ivory, Seafoam and Fauna Brown is scheduled for release in the summer of 2025, which means it should arrive by the end of June at the latest.